Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at what is GoDaddy. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So just before we get started with this video, what exactly is GoDaddy? GoDaddy is a publicly traded internet domain registrar as well as a web hosting company. On top of this as well, they do have their own website builder, and it's called the GoDaddy website builder. It's one of the largest and most well-known companies in the domain registration and web hosting industry. More of a closer look at what GoDaddy has to offer. So with the domain registration and management, you have a vast selection of domain extensions. GoDaddy offers a wide range of domain extensions, including popular ones like .com, .net, .org, as well as newer niche extensions, Guru, Shop, AI, SEO, etc. So several different domain extensions that are available on GoDaddy itself. You do also have domain auctions, so they provide a platform for buying and selling domains on the secondary market, which is a key service for those looking to acquire already taken domain names. On top of this, you have additional features. Services like domain privacy protection, which keeps the domain owner's personal information private in the Whois database, and domain brokerage services for negotiating the purchase of domains already owned by someone else. Now, with the web hosting in mind, they do have a range of different hosting solutions, one being the shared hosting, and that's suitable for small to medium websites, offering a cost-effective solution with shared server resources. You also have VPS hosting, so for websites that require more control and resources, GoDaddy offers virtual private servers. There's also dedicated hosting, so provides dedicated server resources for high traffic websites, offering maximum control and performance. There's also WordPress hosting, so specialized hosting services optimized for WordPress features or with features like one-click installation as well as automatic updates. Now the thing, as I mentioned before, was the overall website builder. So just an overview of GoDaddy's website builder. It is, firstly, very user-friendly. Now GoDaddy's website builder is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It features a drag and drop interface, and that's with different sections like blocks as well as sections, and I will closely show you guys what this is. And this allows users to easily add and arrange elements on their web pages. Number two would be the template-based design. So the builder offers a range of customizable templates. These templates are designed to be responsive and are categorized based on different business types and use cases. So users can choose a template that closely matches their vision and then customize it to suit their specific needs. You also have customization options. So users can modify various elements of their chosen template, and that includes layouts, color schemes, fonts, and images. The builder allows for the addition of various types of content, such as text, images, videos, slideshows, and plenty more. So for the fourth point there, you do have built-in features for functionality. So the website builder includes features for adding contact forms, you've got maps, social media links, and other functionalities that are essential for modern websites. Now, e-commerce functionality is also available, and that allows users to set up an online store, manage products, as well as the process payments. Now, with that in mind, with the e-commerce capabilities, GoDaddy's website builder offers integrated tools for creating an online store. And that makes it suitable for small to medium-sized e-commerce businesses. Its features include product listings, you've got shopping carts, you've got secure checkout, and payment gateway integration. Now, as well as this, you also have SEO and marketing tools. So the builder provides built-in SEO tools to help improve the visibility of websites on search engines. Additionally, it offers marketing tools such as email marketing integration, enabling businesses to reach their audience through newsletters as well as promotional emails. Now, what I particularly like about the website builder itself as well is the fact that there is mobile optimization. So if you're thinking about responsiveness, you don't really have to worry too much, as it is already optimized for mobile uses or mobile use. So websites with GoDaddy's builder are automatically optimized for mobile devices, ensuring a good browsing experience across all platforms. Now, on top of this, there is also that hosting and domain integration. So GoDaddy, since they do their hosting and domain, with the website builder, it includes web hosting, and that ensures that the websites are reliably hosted without the need for separate hosting arrangements. Users can easily connect their websites to GoDaddy purchase domain, streamlining the process of setting up a professional looking website. Now, what I particularly like about GoDaddy as well is the customer support. So you do have 24/7 customer support, or that priority support. If you ever need anything or any questions or issues that may arise during the website creation, then you have that assistance from GoDaddy's customer support. Now, with the pricing plans, GoDaddy offers various pricing tiers for its website builder, catering to different needs from basic websites to more advanced e-commerce sites. Now, pricing plans typically include a free trial period, allowing users to try the service before committing. In terms of the limitations, while GoDaddy's website builder is user-friendly and suitable for beginners, it may have limitations in terms of flexibility and advanced customization. Yes, I did say that it is a drag and drop, but you can't really move the elements. You can, however, change the layout in terms of color or the text and the font that you use, but with the elements you aren't able to move it. So advanced customization compared to more robust website creation tools is limited, and you don't really have that custom coding either. So I would say that it is good as for anyone that wants a basic site. So the builder isn't really suitable for very complex or high traffic websites. So that is one thing to note when you are building on the GoDaddy website builder. I would say that GoDaddy's website builder is an appealing solution for any individual and small businesses looking to create a functional, aesthetically pleasing website with minimal fuss. It does have its ease of use, and combined with the integrated hosting and domain services, I would say it does make a convenient choice, especially for those who are new to the website creation. So now that we have more of an understanding on the GoDaddy platform itself, the fact that it is a hosting provider and that you can get your domain names from it as well as having a website builder, let's take a closer look at the overall platform itself. So this is the GoDaddy platform. As you can see from the following, you've got your options for domains, you've got your options for website hosting, email marketing, as well as what's being advertised, a website creation option. So you can start for free. If you do want information, there's the number. So if you are completely just starting off with a website and you are new, and as I said, as an individual or as a business, smaller business, I would say that this is the ideal platform. But anyway, starting off with the first part, which you should really do, is check out the domains. So this is when you figure out what sort of domains you're going to be using for your website. So there's multiple options. If you already have a domain, there is no need to follow this step. However, if you do need a domain, you have options here where you can search for domain names, Ones that are owned will be auctioned, so you can check out the auctions for domain names. You can also get an appraisal for your domain name value. So if you decide that you want to sell it, then you can get an appraisal. And there are you can generate domain names as well, or you can find a domain owner. So if I searched up one, if I just said who owns this website, so I'll just say profiletree.com. It should show who owns this particular one. So domain name, you can see it's profiletree.com. You can see when it was created and when it had been updated. You could see the registration. It was actually bought here from GoDaddy. And that is pretty much it. That's most of the information that you would need. So you can see it is £51.89. That is the broker service fee. And if I do another one, let's just say amazing cars and drives and search that up. So pretty much the same thing. You can see amazing cars and drives. It was actually bought here at GoDaddy again. So if I do another one, amazing food and drink. But you can see that this was actually bought Namecheap this time. And that is the domain name, amazing food and drink. And then we'll do a last one here, Learning Mole. Just like so. And this one was bought from GoDaddy again. So it does give you several options. If, let's just say, okay, Learning Mole was taken, then you can check out another one here called learningmole.co.uk, learningmoles.com, but you don't want to really follow someone who has that similar name. So I would try to avoid that. So the best thing that you could do is to actually look for some domain names. What I find that helps is you can ask a AI to generate some domain names that you had in mind. So that could be on ChatGPT, could be Claude AI, Bard, wherever really. I would actually recommend to use Bard, as if you are searching up for a domain name, it can verify it since it is Google. It can verify whether that domain name is taken or whether there's a similar brand that's their name, sort of thing. So let's just see. If we are searching up for a domain, if I again do the following, which is profile tree, it might say that it is taken, but we'll see what it'll pop up with. So currently at the minute, profiletree.co.uk is taken, and profiletree. If I said profiletree.com, if I said this, you can see it's taken. If I said .ai, see if it'll. Okay, so at the minute, profiletree.ai is there for £52. So it's got a high value keyword averaging 1,538. So a bit of information as to why, if you want to buy, if you have a reason to buy that. So that's pretty much that. And as I was saying before, if you are a little bit unsure, you can start with a AI domain search, just like so. And this just speeds things up. All you would need to do is give them an idea about the product, service, or just a prompt, or you can let them decide for you. So let's just do one here. We are digital marketing agency, and then we'll just say we also do website and video production. So that's just a brief of what we do, but we'll just go ahead and. So this should give us, okay, a couple of names. So Brand Dynamo, Brand Evolve, there's Digitize Hub, Pixel Producers, Pixel Crafters, Video Synergy, Video Wave. So if you're going to go for a website, this might be the ideal one. WebVision. Okay, so I see what they did there. So there's WebVision, and then there's Brand Dynamo. Or Web Innovators. Again, it really just depends on what sort of prompt you put this through. If you get more of a detailed prompt on ChatGPT or another AI platform where you can go ahead and type something up and then say, okay, make a prompt for me, then you could use it and then copy and paste it onto the GoDaddy platform itself, and that should help you find a domain name. So that's pretty much that for the domains. They do have other options as well, like website and hosting. And with the website and hosting, of course, they will offer the website builder. Same thing with the online store, that is the website builder. But you do have web hosting, you've got WordPress hosting as well, you've got WordPress e-commerce hosting, or you could check out some of the options that they have. It does guide you through the different pricing plans that they have set in place. So with the web hosting, it's $3.99. Website builder is $6.99, and you can decide whether you want to explore the website builder or the web hosting. And they have a couple more options there in terms of WordPress. So WordPress for a managed site is $3.99. Managed WordPress e-commerce hosting is $21.99. And for anything a little bit more advanced, so that's VPS and dedicated servers. This is only really if you're a bigger company or a bigger business, then this is ideal. But VPS hosting is coming at $8.99 per month, and a dedicated server hosting is at $129.99. So something to consider when you are choosing GoDaddy as your web hosting service. So the last thing really to showcase, apart from everything that we've seen here, is the website builder itself. So just to show you guys, just go back home to GoDaddy here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and select start for free. So this does give you the option to just trial out the site itself. So I'm just gonna go and log in. So here we have it. Here we have the actual site itself, and this is where we can start the new site, or we can pick up from where we've left, but we'll just start a fresh new site. So it'll ask what are some of the features your website needs. You can say sell with an online store, book appointments, or something else, but we will just say sell with an online store. We'll go ahead and continue, and we can categorize this as, let's just say fashion designer. So I'll just use that as a example. Now what should we call your business? Let's just say, so I'll just go ahead and add something in here. So just actually picked this up, there was just a random name there. So Fashion Fiesta, and it's going to build the website's architecture, and then once this is through, so it's suggesting some custom content, so we don't really have to do anything on our part, it just creates the website for us. You can see straight away that it's went for something similar for what we would like. Now, everything can be edited very, very easily, so we'll just click off this, skip that tour, refresh this. And all we would need to do now, so we'll just X that off. Got it. Okay, so we can just go ahead and jump into this and basically customize and change. So cover media, you can see currently it is this particular image. I can go ahead and change that image if I need to. So if I want to go for a stock image, I can go ahead and do that. Vintage clothing. Just like that. just remove vintage and I'll say clothing. So I can choose this instead. I can go ahead and insert that. And just like so it's went ahead and changed the style as well as the overall layout. You see how previously it was actually upright, now it's more horizontal. So if I go ahead and show, there you go, that is pretty much it. So once you are happy enough, you can do a couple of modifications, a couple of changes as well. If you want to add some sections, you just select in between, and you have a few options here, like what's recommended, what's popular, some of the premium ones that they have. If you're running an e-commerce site, then it can show you some of the online store, PayPal buttons, featured categories, and so on. So it does have quite a bit of customization options when you are trying to configure your website's layout. So that is pretty much the website builder, and it is very easy to use. But guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.